Hello, I'm Skip Webb, and today I'm going to give you the vital information on the product ProArgi-9 from Synergy. What is ProArgi-9? Well, today you'll find out just how remarkable ProArgi-9 truly is, and what is in the product, and how this product can help you and your family. Let's watch a small video called The Miracle of Life, and I'll talk to you after we're done.
Welcome to the Miracle of Health. In the next few minutes, we will share with you some powerful information regarding the epic discovery of nitric oxide and a product that effectively applies Nobel Prize-winning science and is quickly becoming a literal medical phenomenon. This product is called ProArgi-9 Plus, and it could very possibly change or even save your life. In 1998, Dr. Louis Ignarro won the Nobel Prize in Medicine for the discovery of nitric oxide as a signaling molecule in the cardiovascular system. Why is this important? Because heart disease is the #1 killer in the world, killing more people than the next 6 diseases combined, including cancer. That means 1 out of 2 of us have some form of heart disease, and until now, most figured that if they weren't having a heart attack or a stroke, this disease didn't affect them. But that is wrong. There is overwhelming evidence that clearly links many common health risks to this silent killer, and chances are you have this disease and you don't even know it. But is perhaps why you are struggling with high blood pressure, diabetes, sexual dysfunction, high cholesterol, chronic pain, migraine headaches. Do you suffer with depression, arthritis, or menopausal symptoms? Because these are just some of the preconditions you might recognize. It is serious because many times the first symptom of heart disease is death. As you remember, Tim Russert collapsed while preparing for his television program Meet the Press. An autopsy later revealed that ruptured cholesterol plaque blocked off a main artery, which led to his fatal heart attack. Tim had access to the finest medical care in the world. He had just recently passed a stress EKG, was under the care of a cardiologist. He was managing his high blood pressure with medication and was deemed healthy by those that cared for him. Yet we suddenly lost him. He died from his first and final heart attack. This could have been prevented had his medical protocol included l-arginine, the main ingredient of ProArgi-9 Plus, claims Dr. Joseph Prendergast, a practicing endocrinologist of 35 years. Dr. Prendergast, whose passionate pursuit of integrative l-arginine recently awarded him the 2008 American Diabetes Association Father of the Year Award. When Dr. Prendergast asked why he qualified to receive such a great honor, the ADA declared it was because he has, quote, saved more lives than any other physician in the United States through his progressive medical protocols, including l-arginine, close quote. The ADA also awarded Dr. Prendergast this prestigious award because he has clinically tested and documented more than 6,000 of his own patients and has not admitted 1 patient to the hospital or lost 1 patient to heart attack or stroke in 19 years. A medical miracle. Due to Dr. Prendergast's extraordinary clinical data and the growing evidence of the ability of ProArgi-9 to reverse and even prevent cardiovascular disease, has drawn much interest from the medical community worldwide. The High Desert Heart Institute, an affiliate of Cedars-Sinai Hospital in California, is respected nationally for their superior care of high-risk heart disease patients and is currently conducting the most comprehensive human clinical trial ever conducted on a nutritional supplement to date. This independent clinical study will unequivocally prove the efficacy and the profound health benefits associated with ProArgi-9 Plus. This study is being funded, administered, and directed solely by the High Desert Heart Institute with collaboration from Dr. Prendergast himself. Dr. Prendergast has been working with Synergy Worldwide, a world leader in pharmaceutical-grade nutritional products, to develop and release ProArgi-9 Plus, and we invite you to learn more about how this information can benefit you. There is a 100% money-back guarantee on the product, so there is absolutely no risk in learning more and trying these products yourself. This is big business. There are nearly 3 billion people with serious preconditioned heart disease symptoms that need ProArgi-9 Plus now. The results of this product are instant and dramatic, and Synergy is just now assembling their distributor team that will take this message to the world.
That was truly remarkable. Dr. Prendergast has not admitted one patient to the hospital in the last 19 years with a heart-related issue. That's what we go to see the doctors for, so that they can heal us and we don't have to see them again. It's truly amazing. Just think about that. Well, what's in ProArgi-9? We only use quality ingredients. That's what really makes the difference. There are no synthetics. There are no GMOs. We use only whole food products. Our l-arginine is pharmaceutical grade, and the Hippocratic Health Institute has endorsed ProArgi-9 after doing a year's worth of testing on this particular product. The Doctor's Bible, known as the Physician's Desk Reference, the PDR. No medical reference is more current, more recognized, or more respected. It's found in virtually every physician's office, pharmacy, clinic, and library. The PDR contains label information, dosage instructions, images, and side effects. Here's where the doctors are going to go to find out if a drug and/or our supplement has the side effects and could cause problems for you and your family. Well, we've had clinical benefits to ProArgi-9 Plus, and what about them? Here are Dan Higginson, our founder and CEO, and Dr. Joseph Prendergast to explain. Let's watch this video.
Hi, I'm Dan Higginson, founder and CEO of Synergy Worldwide. When I started this company, my goal was to provide the highest quality, most scientifically advanced nutritional products on the market. Synergy offers an incredible product called ProArgi-9 Plus, which features the powerful amino acid l-arginine. L-arginine's ability to enhance heart health was validated by the 1998 Nobel Prize, which was awarded to 3 American scientists for their discovery in the role that L-arginine plays in the production of nitric oxide. As L-arginine is converted into nitric oxide, it relaxes the blood vessels and regulates blood vessels' tone and flexibility. This reduces stress on the heart, improves circulation, and helps lower blood pressure. We began working on formulating an L-arginine product and were introduced to Dr. Joseph Prendergast, a leading endocrinologist in Palo Alto, California, and a nationally acclaimed expert on L-arginine. Dr. Prendergast was just 37 years old when he was diagnosed with severe heart disease. He began working with Stanford's Cardiovascular Research Center, where they were just beginning to study L-arginine. Dr. Prendergast immediately started to supplement his diet with the amino acid. He saw marked improvements in his arteries within months and began recommending it to his patients. Over the course of nearly 2 decades, Dr. Prendergast has continued to lead L-arginine research and has seen literally thousands of people benefit from taking L-arginine. With Dr. Prendergast's extensive clinical experience on our side, we teamed up with other leading doctors and collaborated with top nutritional scientists to create ProArgi-9 Plus.
Hi, I'm Dr. Joseph Prendergast. I've worked with talented scientists and researchers to formulate the best L-arginine product on the market, ProArgi-9 Plus. Extensive research shows L-arginine's efficacy in producing nitric oxide and improving your cardiovascular health. We wanted to create a comprehensive product to sustain the circulatory system, so we complemented L-arginine with the most effective supporting ingredients possible, including L-citrulline, vitamin D3, and resveratrol, to name a few. L-citrulline was added because it is metabolized to yield more L-arginine, which in turn provides additional nitric oxide. Vitamin D3 maintains the integrity of the entire cardiometabolic system. And resveratrol, which is a red wine extract, is high in antioxidants, which help protect the heart and reduce LDL oxidation. This unique formulation found in ProArgi-9 Plus makes it an unbeatable product. In all my years of practice and research, I've never found a product as good for your heart health as ProArgi-9 Plus, and I know countless people feel the same way.
ProArgi-9 Plus has helped tens of thousands of people around the world enhance their circulatory system and enjoy a healthier, more active lifestyle. I hope you'll take advantage of all this great product has to offer for you.
Dr. Prendergast mentioned the use of the amino acid L-citrulline. It's important The L-arginine only lasts for 30 minutes, but when it's combined with the L-citrulline, it enhances the time to 30 hours, giving you a full day's worth of benefit. And that's the beauty of our research and our particular formula for this product. The highway of life, the circulatory system. Wherever blood flows, this product can help you. This product enhances the body's ability to deliver nutrients and oxygen to the cells and eliminate waste efficiently. Do you realize what that truly means for you and your family? Without a healthy circulatory system, every disease known to man can be generated. Well, what can ProArgi-9 do for you and for me? There's a complete list of things that could go wrong with you when your circulatory system's out of line. High blood pressure, neuropathy, kidney failure. But I'm going to focus in on diabetes because I was type 2 diabetic. And since I've taken ProArgi-9 and changed my diet, my blood pressure has gone from 175 over 100 to 112 over 72. My A1C score, that's the blood test that shows how much sugar's been in your body for the last 3 months. 7 and under, you're no longer considered diabetic. I started at 12.8. I'm now 6'3". I am not diabetic any longer. Cholesterol level went from 183 to 103, and I lost weight from 339 pounds down to 278. It's worked for me, and it can also benefit you. Wherever your blood flows, this product will help your body maximize its potential. We're going to watch 2 testimonials, the first from Milo Bernstein, followed by 3 others.
Hi, my name's Milo Burstead. I run into the ProArgi-9 product the end of December 2012 at a trade show in Regina. I noticed a plaque that said, lower your blood pressure in 90 days or your money back. At that time, the doctor had increased my blood pressure medication to 3 pills. I had injured my leg in June. She had me on anti-inflammatories and my leg hadn't gone down. I started on this product middle of December, and within 3 days the inflammation in my leg left. I took a blood test, went to the doctor. She lowered me from 3 blood pressure pills down to 1 pill. A week later my blood pressure was 112 over 63, and my pharmacist suggested I would cut that pill in half. So I'm now on 1/2 a pill. The doctor took me off my cholesterol medication, and I didn't know that my feet had gone cold. But after a month on this product, they warmed up, which was very happy for me. My neuropathy in my leg also went away. And on July 19th, to my surprise, my doctor said I'm no longer diabetic. She took me off my medication. Now, the interesting part is my doctor and my pharmacist are now both on ProArgi-9.
The key to a healthy cardiovascular system lies within the blood vessels themselves. Along the inside wall or lining, called the endothelium, the body is designed to produce something called nitric oxide. If you're producing a lot of it, you have healthy arteries. If not, you don't. Look at how much nitric oxide is produced in a young artery and how quickly it decreases. Do you feel the same as you did when you were 18? Aging for us begins early. But what if your body could produce nitric oxide like it did when you were younger? To answer that question, it is important to know about the 1998 Nobel Prize in Medicine. 3 scientists won that prize for proving the importance of nitric oxide in our cardiovascular systems and in our bodies. The Nobel Prize research found that nitric oxide, which is a gas, is produced in our body when the amino acid called l-arginine comes into contact with the lining of our arteries.
You know, arginine helps the body in a myriad of ways. It does it by making nitric oxide first. That in turn localizes in a place where it'll relax the blood vessels. The blood vessels being more flexible are more normal. They act better. They act best in a place where it can bring blood flow to the organs and other tissue that needs all this. It contributes greatly to cardiovascular health.
In addition, l-arginine can enhance health in a number of other ways. It has been shown to improve immune function, combat premature cardiovascular aging, promote healthy sexual function, increase blood flow to muscles, and increase energy levels. We know we need more arginine to produce nitric oxide like when we were kids. Unfortunately, we can't consume enough in our diet to battle aging. Supplementation becomes crucial. That's where the fun part begins. and what I like to call arginine therapy.
I love ProArgi-9 Plus because it gave me my life back. I now have energy like I haven't had in 25, 30 years, and I'm able to do things that I never thought I would ever do again, approaching the age of 60.
Well, my entire background has been in the health and fitness industry. I have my master's in fitness sciences, and I competed professionally in fitness for over 4.5 years. And I was looking for a product, something to help me just kind of have my edge back. You know, we've had just recently, you know, in the past few years, have kids now, and I don't have the energy that I used to have. And so I was looking for something, but also something that was all natural, that I felt safe taking, that I could do my research on and make sure that the product was completely clean. And I found that with the ProArgi-9 Plus.
You know, as a professional athlete, played on 2 World Series winning teams, played 15 years professional baseball, I knew how my body should feel. I mean, I exercised, I lifted weights, I swam, I ran, and when I retired from baseball, I didn't do those things anymore. And so I wanted to find something that would help me. And fortunately, I came across ProArgi-9 Plus, started taking this product, and, you know, I lost the extra 30 pounds that I put on. I started running. I became active again.
A quality arginine complexer can help you at any stage in life with whatever health goals you might have. And there's clinical evidence to prove it. As beneficial as an L-arginine supplement is...
Did you catch the end of Milo's testimony? His doctor and his pharmacist are now on ProArgi-9. Folks, this ends the presentation. This product needs to be in your life. Talk to the person who invited you, and for more information, follow the links on the right of the screen. Thanks again for watching. God bless you and your family with good health.